It's 10:30. Good morning, drillers. Hope you guys are well. I haven't held this camera. The vlogs you'll have been seeing are vlogs that I've had shot in the month of March and April. I've been unwell, undergone surgery under both my armpits. Yeah. This is not that kind of video. I just got this PR package from Johnson Workwear. I mentioned it's gloves. So, yeah. They had mentioned it's gloves. So I'm expecting gloves in here. And then I'm seeing it's a whole box. So let's open it up and see what they got us. My hands have no strength, guys. Like it's bad. Hope you enjoy your goodies. Thank you. Protection for DIYYolande, your safety in our hands. Put our range to test. Oh, these are nice. These are gorgeous. Cut resistant. That's my kind of glove, honey. Oh, nice. Thank you, Johnson. Oh, okay. Anti-fog goggles. Okay. Oh, it's safe to say I'm gonna make glass now when I DIY. Thank you so much, Johnson Workwear. I appreciate these gloves. They're really gonna come in handy. So I haven't done a weekly vlog. I've never vlogged the whole week. So I want to try to vlog the whole week. Today is a Monday. I'm gonna try to vlog the whole week and see if I can. I'd like to just get back in the swing of things. I'm healing well. Today I'm going to the wound care clinic to get my wounds cleaned. No, actually I'm not going to show you guys. I'll just put it, I'll insert a picture here. To get my wounds cleaned after that then I come back home. But I'm not going to go with y'all to the wound care clinic because the camera is quite heavy, so I'm not going to be able to carry it. Y'all are currently on a tripod now. Yeah, so let me make something to eat. It's now 10:37. I'm gonna make something to eat and then I get ready to bounce. I'm commenting, I'm replying to comments under this post. I just dropped a vlog yesterday, so I'll link it up here to check it out. Hey guys, so I left you hanging there on Friday, today on Monday. Today is Saturday. It is 3:25. I'm dressed like this because I was creating some content for y'all, but by the time you'll see this vlog, the content is already up on Instagram. I hope you guys are good. To be honest with you, I don't know why I picked up the camera, because I've got nothing exciting that I'm doing. But hubby and I tonight are going to go have dinner at Ocean Basket, so I'm thinking of bringing you guys with. But as you'll know, my husband doesn't show on this channel, but he did say he will help me vlog. So yeah, so I'll see you guys later tonight. Let me just drink water now and go back and chill. I'm trying to upload something on WeTransfer and it's taking so slow. I use Telkom here, and yeah, Shem, it's the pits. It's the pits. Yeah, no, it's the pits. You see, it's been uploading. I think it's over an hour now that it's been transferring, and I'm so annoyed. 3 other clips that need to be uploaded. So this is taking over an hour. So I need 3 hours for these clips to all upload, so they can go on my phone and I can edit off of my phone. I'm too lazy to edit off the laptop, but it looks like I'm gonna have to. But the only reason why I'm lazy to edit off the laptop is because the clips are in the ratio for Instagram Reels, but if it was just the normal ratio for my normal videos, I would just edit off the laptop. But because it's for Instagram Reels, hence we gotta wait for the internet to try. Yeah, basically meaning the internet, and I really can't wait to ukuthi size sibe ne-fiber la ngakuthina ngoba I shame. And also I'm looking forward to the contract here with Telkom coming to an end this year, so I can move on to greener pastures, because the pastures here are very brown and depressing.
Just want to show you some behind the scenes. Because I cannot take my tool storage unit outside myself as yet, as I shouldn't be doing any heavy lifting, I decided to bring it out here in my entryway because the lighting is decent. So right in front of the gallery wall, I am busy DIYing. This glue is so good, guys. I like it. I really like it. This and Paytex No More Nails. Love them. I must say, I really love having my tool storage unit because everything is here. Everything is here. Really happy I built this power tool storage unit because everything is in one place. I don't need to be moving all over around the house looking for certain things. Everything is in just one place. I really love that. I love its convenience. It's top 2 and it ain't number 2. Okay, let me go back to building this DIY. I'm not sure. Well, this vlog is definitely going up before the DIY project, so I'm hoping the DIY project goes up. Guys, enjoy it. So these are my notes. So I have notes and sketches near me when I create something. So I even have shots of key points I want to mention in the video, and key shots I want to have in the actual video, and then the building process. Yeah, not much of a drawer, but hey, it looks like a block art to me. Today is Friday. I'm getting ready and cozy here because I'm going to have a meeting. I'm going to have a meeting with the brand. Hey God! It's my first meeting with him. So yeah. So obviously because I'm still not 100% healed, and with the Durban weather being so grumpy today, it's so cold, like my hands are cold, like they are cold. So obviously I need to sit in a way that is not going to show them that I'm sitting on my couch and that I'm comfy in my blankets, right? So I'm going to sit right here, have the console table as my background, and I'm going to place the laptop right on top of me here. It's now 12:41. The meeting is at 1 o'clock. So I've got time. I've got my notes here. Yeah, I'm so looking forward to this meeting. Yeah, I can't say obviously as yet which brand it is, because it is our first meeting. We've only communicated on email, so this is the first meeting. So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I'm excited. I purchased this Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Cream Nourishing Lip Balm SPF 200, and I've been using it since Monday. Today's Friday, and I'm happy with how well it moisturizes and keeps the lips moisturized. What I've been doing is I've been applying it in the morning or after a shower, and as the day goes, as it goes for 3 o'clock or 4 p.m. My lips are still moisturized. It's impressive, Shen. 8-hour cream. I just haven't tested it out for a full 8 hours. Like right now, it's 1:45 and now I'm putting it on. But yeah, it's good. So I want to show you my nails. I got them done yesterday. They are so cute. I can. And with the DIY niche here in South Africa growing as fast as it is now,
Okay, bye.
okay, bye. Yes!